Next, I am going to discuss all of you law of conservation of angular momentum. Law of conservation of angular momentum. Look here, all of you. Law of conservation of angular momentum. Okay? In the situation Akash, conservation means, look here, all of you. Conservation means constant. Here, law of conservation of angular momentum. According to this law, angular momentum is constant. ఎట్లా సార్ అంటే ప్రూఫ్ నన్ను we know that Newton second law. Ruchit Papa, Newton second law is F directly proportional to dP by dt. Look here, all of you. According to Newton second law, F directly proportional to dP by dt. Newton's second law in a rotatory motion, force analogous is torque is here. Linear momentum analogous is angular momentum. This is the Newton's second law in rotatory motion. Here the condition is if external torque is 0. External torque is 0. Suppose if means condition. Here tau 0 automatically dl by dt is 0. 0 into anything 0. Simply dl is 0. Change in angular momentum is 0. Change in angular momentum means final angular momentum minus initial angular momentum equal to 0. Do you understand? Look here. In the situation, simply final angular momentum equal to initial angular momentum. In the situation, final angular momentum, write as, look here, all of you. Final angular momentum equal to initial angular momentum. In the situation, look here, Nana. In the situation, this is simply ఇనీషియల్గా ఎంత ఉందో ఫైనల్గా అంతే ఉంది. అంటే దీని మీనింగ్ L is constant. Simply L is not change when external torque acting on the body 0. That means no external torque acting on the body. No external torque acting on the body. Then angular momentum of the body is constant. This law is called law of conservation of angular momentum. Once again I repeat, if no external torque acting on the body, then angular momentum of the body is constant. In the situation, what is the formula for L? Gurtunda meeku I omega derive chesam. Simply in the situation, I omega is constant. Simply Boyle's law. In the chemistry, PV is constant, right, as P1 V1 equal to P2 V2. In this pattern, I omega is constant. It it write as I1 omega 1 equal to I2 omega 2. I omega is constant. It's neatly write I1 omega 1 equal to I2 omega 2. This is applicable here. External torque acting on the body is 0. Simply I omega constant meaning is I inversely proportional to omega. This is called law of conservation of angular momentum. Law of conservation of angular momentum. Applications. Uses. What are the uses? The first example, this is the turntable. In the here, a man stands on the turntable. Turntable means the table is rotate. Okay, Nana? This is the turntable, Nana. A man stands on the turntable. In this situation, turntable is rotate in this situation. Simply, speed of the man also increase because a person stands on the turntable. In this situation, turntable have more speed, more angular speed. Here, the person here fall because the person kallu tiriginattu anipithundi. Ante మైకం గమ్మినట్టు అనిపిస్తుంది. దానికోసం ఏం చేస్తారంటే a person stands on the turntable. The person sometimes to stretch the hands because this is the axis. Body considered as the axis. Here stretch the hands, distance increase. మీకు ఐడియా ఉందో లేదో, I అంటే ఫార్ములా mr square. Stretch the hands, this is the axis. Hands stretches, distance increase. I also increase. Because a man stands on the turning table, here no external torque acting. In this situation, we apply law of conservation of angular momentum. What is the law of conservation of angular momentum? I inversely proportional to omega. In this situation, a man stands on the turntable. A man stretch the hands. What happens to the moment of inertia? Increase. What happens to the speed? Decrease. Because both are inversely. Simply, angular speed controlled by stretch the hands. Do you understand, Nana? A man standing on the turntable, speed of the table is more, the person fall. So that's why the person apply law of conservation of angular momentum. The person stretch the hands, moment of inertia increases, automatically speed of the turntable or speed of the person controlled, because speed decreased by stretch the hands, speed increased by close the hands, fold the hands. This is the first example. Second example is a person, a swimming person. This is the swimming pool. Swimming pool లో ఏముంటాయి? వాటర్. ఇక్కడ స్టెప్స్ కట్టేసి స్టెప్స్ ఇక్కడ పర్సన్ వచ్చేసాడు, కార్డ్బోర్డ్ మీదకి వచ్చాడు. వాడు ఏం చేయాలి? స్విమ్మింగ్ పూల్లో దూకాలి. స్విమ్మింగ్ పూల్లో డైరెక్ట్గా పడ్డాడనుకో ఒక పెద్ద శబ్దం అవుతుంది. పెద్ద శబ్దం వచ్చి అనిపిస్తుంది. బికాస్ touches the water, man says action, water says opposite reaction. So man some feel happiness, sadness. In this situation, man also use law of conservation of angular momentum. According to this theory, I inversely proportional to omega. A man touches the water, his hands stretches. Itla stretch the hands. A man touches the water, his hands is stretched. Stretch means automatically distance increase, I increase, speed is decrease. Simply, a man fall on the water. A man stretches the hands, its moment of inertia increase, and touches the less speed. Nana, by using a law of conservation of angular momentum, we here a swimmer touches the water at less speed. And again, another example, Nana, ballet dancer. Third example is ballet dancer. This is also called as toe dancing. In the situation, a ballet dancer or toe dancer, in the situation, Nana, its meaning is toe dancer ante mee kinda leg undi kada, first finger మీద నుంచుంటాడు ఇట్లా. Here in this situation, first finger and rotate. First finger మీద rotate చేస్తున్నాడు. Toe. Ballet dancer, club dancer nana, only to stands on only fingers and rotate. Okay? In this situation, its speed increases. What happens? The person fall. But the person cannot fall. This ballet dancer stretch the hands. What happens? Stretch the hands, moment of inertia increases. Its speed is controlled. Okay? But speed is less, the dance is not a dance. So, speed increase. Again, the dancer fold his hands. Automatically, moment of inertia decrease, speed also increase. Simply, a ballet dancer controls his speed or by using stretch the hands or fold the hands. These are all examples of law of conservation of angular momentum. Tomorrow I discuss some applications of law of conservation of angular momentum and solve the problems, Nana. Bye bye. See you. Thank you very much.